We have studied many ways of initialization of an array. Let us study the proper way of initialization of an array. You see, the global array can be initialized at declaration time, but local array should not be initialized at declaration time. If you are interested to initialize the local array at declaration time, then use static keyword. I'll explain this concept in detail. You see, sometimes it is not known in advance that how many elements will be needed until execution time. In C language, it is legal to initialize only some of the elements of an array. If you initialize only part of the array, then remaining elements are unused as well as uninitialized. They contain garbage or unpredictable values. The C compiler does not regard the use of uninitialized values as an error. The use of these uninitialized elements in C program is a common mistake and a blunder mistake. Remember that in global array, the unused elements are initialized to 0. But in local array, the unused elements are uninitialized, meaning they contain unpredictable values. You know that C compiler does not regard the use of uninitialized variable as an error. If you use static keyword while declaring and initializing local array, then the compiler will fill the unused elements of an array by 0, and then it is more safe to use the array in C program. Is it clear? You see, here I give an example. Let's see this program. Here this is a global declaration of an array. So we have filled only part of an array. So there are total 5 elements we can store, and we have stored only 3 elements. So remaining 2 are initialized by 0 because this is a global array. We have declared this array above the function main, that's why it's a global array. And hence remaining elements, SAM 3 and SAM 4, they are initialized by 0. But if you declare a local array, so Raj is a local array, then static keyword is must. Use of this keyword is a must, because if you won't use the static keyword, then Raj 3 and Raj 4 may contain unpredictable values or garbage, and you know that this is a blunder mistake. This can create havoc. So remember that use of static keyword is a must while declaring an local array, and in global array the remaining element, unused elements, are initialized by 0. Is it clear? Now one more point, and that is also a very important point. If there are unused bytes, then you must specify the dimension of an array explicitly. In the following example, if the declaration and initialization of the array is this one, that is integer SAM in the bracket, I have not specified the dimension. So dimension is not given, and if you initialize like this, then compiler will allocate only 3 elements instead of 5 elements. We want to fill the array partly, and that is why the dimension is must in such situation. Is it clear? Thank you.